I'm on a mission to make $16,000 day trading a futures account. Now, for those of you who don't know, a futures account is you can trade NASDAQ, you can trade S&P 500, you can trade gold, you can trade oil, you can trade whatever you want. I trade NASDAQ. In those accounts, you can trade 50,000, you can trade 10,000, you can trade $300,000 accounts. I trade $50,000 accounts. Now, I have 8 of those accounts. 8 $50,000 accounts is $400,000 worth of capital that I can trade with. Now, I don't have to have $400,000 to do that. I actually get to just pay like $300 and I get access to that $400,000. And then I pay another $300 and I get to keep that and trade with it for the next however long I can without losing too much. They obviously set a limit of how much you can lose, so you can't lose too much money, but as long as you stay within that limit, you can make a lot of money. So each payout with this prop firm that I'm with, Apex Trader Funding, you can get $2,000 per account. Now you can trade 1 account, you can trade 20 accounts, but that's the most. So I have 8. So I can get $16,000. I have accomplished that. I am at that limit right now. If I could flip the camera around and show you, I would. Right, zoom in, it's over there. $54,817 per account. Would you close my door, sweetie? I'm doing a little video. So with that, I get to request $2,000 out of each of those accounts. That's gonna be $16,000. And tomorrow is my 8th day of trading. You gotta trade 8 days with Apex. And once you do that, you can request. Then after another 8 days, I get to request another $2,000 per account. Now, lots of other accounts or trader funding programs are changing it up. Hey, cutie, close my door, okay? Just leave it. It's good, just like that. Thank you. They're limiting how much you can get. So it's like a max of like 10,000 or a max of like, I'm out, of $2,000 per account. So you got to pay attention to that. You don't want to be maxed out. With Apex, they aren't necessarily looking for traders to go live. Some prop firms are like, oh yeah, we want you to go live. The reality is what happens to most people is they make it live because they had a good run for about 2 to 3 months. And then they mess up, and so they lose their live account. I'm on this journey to make this $16,000. It's not easy, right? It's not the easiest thing you'll ever do, but it's a great way to get started trading. You really are gonna lose your own money in the beginning if you just jump into trading on your own. So a prop firm is a great way just to get started, get your feet wet. You might lose a couple $100 up front. But the good thing is a couple $100, you've gotten like 5 to 10 stabs at it. So after you get that bad trading out of the way, you're gonna have a better opportunity at profiting from these accounts. So reason why I chose to do Apex is early on, it was the cheapest way to do it. You could get into an account for like less than $20. And I was like, heck yeah. But then it was like $100 after that to like keep the account forever. And I was like, oh man. So now with the way that they have it set up, it's like $37 up front, and then it's $40 to keep it forever. So overall, you're less money even than you were before. A little bit more up front, but less overall, which I appreciate. So I'm enjoying it. I really like it. Some other prop firms are having some hard times with their like hosting platform. Apex uses Trade-of-8. You're never gonna have an issue with Trade-of-8. Trade-of-8 is just awesome and always will be awesome. So yeah. What else? When you start trading, you're gonna get a little bit devastated. You're gonna lose an account. You're gonna pass an account and you're gonna lose that past account. Don't get down on yourself. Just don't. It's part of the process. You're gonna make it through and you're gonna get a payout. You're gonna reach that level. You just gotta be patient with yourself. You gotta be persistent and carry on. And, and realize that like you are learning something that most people fail at because they give up. They say only 95% or out of 100%, 95% of traders fail. It's really 95% of traders give up. Trading isn't the hardest thing in the world. Trading is challenging. It's a skill that you have to acquire over time. You really have to sit down and watch the market, feel the market, get to know the market. And once you do, you think you know it, and then you'll fail again. That's okay. It's okay. It's part of the process. Get back up. Try again. Don't give up. That's what I can say is I almost gave up many times. And to be in this position where now tomorrow I get a request $16,000. That's like life-changing money for lots of people. Like, people get excited about a $2,000 stimulus check. Dude, $16,000. Like, and it's not just done after that. I get to keep trading. So these have $4,800 of profit in them. So I'm going to request $2,000 of that out. So I'm still going to have almost $3,000 of profit in there. Really, I don't have to do much, even for the next 8 days, because I'm already up 1,000, and I can just request another 8,000, 1,000 from each account times 8, and so I get to request that and get another 8,000. So really, like at this point, I get $24,000 kind of guaranteed if I just don't screw it up, you know. Mind blowing, right? I know. And it can be mind blowing for you too, and life changing. Patience, learn from others, practice, and just keep going and keep practicing. And don't go further than you can, if that makes sense, like financially. Don't take yourself to a place that financially you're in ruins. Go slower. I went too fast. Go slower. I promise you it'll benefit you in the long run, and you'll be way happier. Anyway, it's been a long time since I made a video like this, but I thought it was a great time to. Again, Apex, 80% off, $37 to get started, $40 for a lifetime fee. Best deal possibly that you could ever see if this is your first time you get introduced to Apex. Like, these are the good deals. These are the good days. You're not going to find much better than this. Prop firms are the way for the next few years with trading and people learning how to trade. So jump on board, jump in, both feet in. Let's go, and let's enjoy this ride together. It's going to be a good one. You no longer have to risk all your own capital. You don't need to have 10, 20, 30, 40, $100,000. You just need to have your money and a few $100, and you're good to go. You don't even have to have your money. You can use a credit card, but don't tell them I told you that. Anyway, peace. Have a good day. Let me know what questions you have. Bye.